Hello, everyone, and good morning or good afternoon, whichever it is for you. Another week for school. Happy Monday to you. Happy May 4th. First thing we're going to do, we're going over your daily schedule. Then we're going to go over as far as the lesson plan for the week. Okay, and then we're going over Google Meet schedule, classroom schedule as well. Okay, there have been some changes. Let's first cover our daily schedule. First thing you're going to do, log into your Chromebook, which you probably already have. That's why you're viewing this message. Okay, you're going to make sure you go to your student portal, or also known as My Apps, like right here, this little icon. You're going to go to log into office.com, which is going to be right here. Okay, the orange app with a square in the middle. You're going to go to Outlook. That's where your email is. That's where all your messages are. Okay. And also I'll be sending YouTube videos for instructions for you on there. Okay? And let's see. Now we're going to go back to our schedule. Okay? After completing the Edgenuity courseware, you're going to go to Edgenuity here. Oh, I'm sorry. Mine looks different from yours. And you're going to click on it. It's going to open up. You're going to sit there for like about 10 to 15 seconds and log back off. Real easy. That way you get your daily attendance in. Okay? Next thing you're going to do after you do that, you're going to go to Unique Learning System. Okay? Right here is the Unique Learning System. I already got a page up for your first assignment. Okay? And that assignment, that's going to be Who Do You Look Like? By Amy Bying. If you're needing assistance for it to read to you, all you have to do is click on the letters. Okay? Or the words. Okay, let me give you a brief demonstration.
This is Carrie and Jeff. Carrie and Jeff are sister and brother.
If you want to stop, just click the little bubble icon again. Okay, and that way it can read it to you if you like. That way, if you have that accommodation, it's available. Make sure everybody has their accommodations and it's available for you. Okay, so let's go ahead and go over a lesson plan, and then also, before we go over the lesson plan, you're going to go over Google Classroom. Google Classroom is going to be here where you have lessons at Mr. Burton's Link Classroom. Okay, there are two assignments, one for math and one just for fun. Okay, it's May 4th. May the 4th be with you. It's kind of a Star Wars thing, and you know I'm a Star Wars fan. It's just a little short quiz. You can also get some extra bonus points. Okay, let's see. So with math, you have an assignment here as far as adding the total number of coins, which we'll go over that here in a moment. Now, lesson plan for the week is going to be listed as homework in in Unique Learning System. Okay. Monday, you have a lesson activity, guided reading and comprehension, also reviewing high frequency words and defining vocabulary. Tuesday, okay, you have addition story problems with manipulatives. Again, it can read to you. Wednesday, you have a geography assignment, cities of the world, and activity 2, answering questions of the cities of the world. Thursday, you have life science. It's called Father and Son Baseball, and Father and Son Baseball questions that are pertaining to the assignment. Friday, lesson number 4, life skills activity, brushing your teeth activity. Also on Friday, we'll be doing a Google Meet for small group. Okay, and there's a schedule for that below. Okay, now that's the schedule will also be emailed to you and your parents as well. The Google Meet schedule, Google Meet classroom schedule has changed a bit. If you are needing assistance with your above lessons, and you're needing more assistance in what the Unique Classroom is Unique Learning System is providing you, you can schedule a Meet session between the hours of 1:30 and 3. I'm available Tuesday through Thursday. Granted, this could change based on the student need or the administration rescheduling. Now on Friday, we will have a small group on Friday. Here's a schedule. It's listed here. Now, if you want to do an earlier time than scheduled, okay, you're welcome to do so, but it's got to be between the hours of 1:30 and 3. So everybody will be sent their schedule to them through their email. Okay, if you need to reach out to me beforehand, or you need some help with something, please feel free to send me a text or an email or a phone call. Okay, so that's going over our daily schedule. Okay, now there's another cool thing that has been changed in Google Classroom. No more looking for invites in your email. I know this is a great thing. All you have to do now is just click on a link. It's going to forward you over to Google Meet. You're going to click that little green button right there where it says join now. And look at that. You're in a Google Meet session. Okay? Normally I will be there as well. Still working on getting another video camera, but I will be there for you during that time. Okay? So that covers our daily schedule. Again, if you have any questions or concerns or need some help, reach out to me. You know how to get a hold of me. You can call me. You can text me. You can do a video call if need be. You can email me as well. But it's better to text or email. Text or phone call. It's a way to go to hold of me faster. Again, you guys are doing a great job. We're going to get through this. You Wildcats are tough. We're going to make it. Again, if you need any help with any of the applications or logging in, please reach out to me and let me know. Thank you.